Today's episode is very important. What Americans say instead of sorry.
Yes, many learners only say sorry, but in real life, Americans use many different apology phrases.
Before we start, please comment, sorry from your country.
And don't forget, like, comment, share. Part 1. Why sorry is not enough.
John, is sorry wrong?
No, it is correct, but Americans often change it depending on the situation. Small mistake, big mistake, interrupting someone, formal situation.
Yes, English has different levels of apology.
Part 2. Most common natural apologies.
1. Sorry. Simple and universal. Sorry. 2. I'm sorry. More polite. I'm sorry. 3. My bad. Very casual. Friends only. My bad. 4. My mistake. Simple and natural. My mistake. 5. I didn't mean that. Used when you say something wrong. 6. Excuse me. Used for small interruptions. Excuse me. 7. Pardon me. More polite version. Pardon me. 8. I apologize. Formal English. I apologize. 9. I didn't realize. Used when you didn't notice a mistake. 10. That was my fault. Very responsible and polite. That was my fault. Part 3. Real-life conversations. Coffee shop mistake.
Oops, sorry.
No problem. Accident on bus. Oh, my bad.
It's okay.
Classroom situation.
I'm sorry. I didn't understand.
That's okay. I'll repeat. Part 4. Funny story. John, I have a funny story.
Tell me.
Someone stepped on my foot, and I said, I'm sorry for your foot. It made no sense. Part 5. Embarrassing story.
I have one too. Someone said, "Excuse me," and I said, "I excuse you forever."
No. Part 6. When to use each phrase. Here is a simple guide. Small mistakes. Sorry. My bad. Excuse me. Normal situations. I'm sorry. My mistake. I didn't realize. Formal situations. I apologize. That was my fault. Pardon me. Part 7. Practice section. Repeat after me. I'm sorry. My bad. Excuse me. I apologize. Part 8. Real conversation practice. Let's practice a full situation.
Oh, sorry. I'm late.
No worries.
That was my fault.
It's okay.
I didn't realize the time.
It's fine. Don't worry. Part 9. Natural tips. Tip 1. Don't always say sorry.
Use different expressions.
Tip 2. Match the situation. Friends versus formal situations. Tip 3. Keep it short.
Natural English is simple.
Tip 4. Don't over-apologize. Americans don't overuse sorry. Part 10. Encouragement. Dear learners, mistakes are normal.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
Just keep practicing. Summary.
Today, we learned 10 natural ways to say sorry. Casual and formal apologies. Real conversations. useful speaking tips.
And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Thank you so much for listening.
We hope you feel more natural now.
Please don't forget. Like, comment, sorry from my country. Share.
See you next time.